Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever wished you could have a hacker's toolkit right in your pocket? Well, guess what? You can. We're diving into the world of hacker phones, mobile devices transformed into powerful tools for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity analysis. Imagine running network scans, sniffing out vulnerabilities, and testing website security, all from your phone. That's the power a hacker phone puts at your fingertips. It's like having a portable security lab ready to deploy wherever you go. But hold on, before you picture some shady character in a hoodie, let's be clear. Ethical hacking is all about responsible security research. It's about finding and fixing vulnerabilities before the bad guys exploit them. So whether you're a cybersecurity student, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the world of hacking, building a hacker phone is an awesome way to learn, explore, and level up your skills. Let's get started. Now you might be wondering, what makes a phone a hacker phone? The secret sauce is Kali Linux. This Debian-based operating system is a cybersecurity powerhouse packed with tools for penetration testing, forensics, and everything in between. Think of Kali Linux as the ultimate hacker's toolbox. It comes preloaded with tools like AirCrack-Eng for Wi-Fi analysis, Burp Suite for web application testing, and Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities. And the best part? It's completely free and open source. By installing Kali Linux on your phone, you're essentially turning it into a portable hacking machine. You'll have access to all these powerful tools, allowing you to perform security assessments on the go. But why Kali Linux, you ask? Why not other Linux distributions? Well, Kali is specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It's the gold standard in the industry, used by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Now, before we jump into the setup process, let's talk about rooting. Traditionally, installing a different operating system on your phone required rooting gaining administrative privileges. Rooting can be risky. It can void your warranty, make your phone vulnerable to security threats, and even brick your device if done incorrectly. But fear not, intrepid tech explorers. We're going to create our hacker phone without rooting. That's right. You can enjoy all the benefits of Kali Linux without the risks associated with rooting. We'll be using a method that allows us to run Kali Linux in a containerized environment, keeping your phone's original operating system intact. This approach not only keeps your phone safe, but also makes the setup process much simpler. So let's ditch the rooting headaches and dive straight into building our hacker phone the easy way. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Today we're diving into the world of mobile penetration testing. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up Kali Linux on your phone without rooting, a powerful tool for cybersecurity enthusiasts. First things first, you'll need a compatible Android phone. Make sure it's running a relatively recent version of Android. Don't worry, most modern Android devices will work just fine. Even mid-range phones can handle this setup. Just make sure you have enough free storage space, as Kali Linux can be a bit of a storage hog. Aim for at least 8 GB of free space. Next, head over to the Google Play Store and download the Termux app. It's free and easy to install. Termux is a powerful terminal emulator for Android. It brings the Linux command line to your mobile device. Open Termux and update the package list by running the following commands. This ensures you have the latest software. Apt Update and Apt Upgrade. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Then, download and install AnLinux. This app simplifies the process of running Linux on Android. AnLinux is a script that automates the process of installing Linux distributions on Android. It's a real time saver. Download and run the AnLinux script using the following commands. apt install git, git clone, https://github.com/anlinux-app/anlinux-resources.git, cd anlinux resources chmod plus x scripts /installer.esh, and /scripts/installer.shh. Follow these steps carefully. AnLinux will present you with a list of Linux distributions. You have several options to choose from. Choose Kali Linux from the list. It's specifically designed for penetration testing and security research. Select your preferred desktop environment. This will determine how your Linux interface looks and feels. XFCE is a lightweight and popular choice. It's efficient and doesn't consume too many resources. AnLinux will now download and install Kali Linux on your phone. This step can take some time depending on your internet speed. This process may take a while, so grab a snack, watch some cat videos, or take a short break. And let AnLinux do its magic. patience is key here. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Kali Linux from the Termux app. It's that simple. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional Kali Linux environment running on your phone. Enjoy exploring and testing its capabilities. Section 5, troubleshooting your setup, conquering the Kali Mountain, running into some bumps on the road to hacker phone glory. Don't worry, it's a common part of the journey. Fear not, fellow tech warriors. Here are some common troubleshooting tips to conquer those Kali Linux hurdles. Problem 1, installation errors. Solution: double-check your internet connection and make sure you have enough free storage space. Sometimes a simple restart can also help. Try running the installation commands again. Ensure you are using the correct syntax and have the necessary permissions. Problem 2, black screen after launching Kali. Solution: this could be a graphics driver issue. Check if your drivers are up to date. Try installing a different desktop environment, such as LXDE, which is known to be less resource-intensive. Problem 3, slow performance. Solution: Kali Linux can be demanding on resources. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. This can free up valuable system resources. You can also try using a lightweight desktop environment. This can significantly improve performance. Problem 4, command not found errors. Solution: make sure you're connected to the internet and update your Kali Linux packages using the following commands: apt update and apt upgrade. This ensures you have the latest software and patches. Remember, Google is your friend. Many users have faced similar issues and shared their solutions online. If you encounter any other issues, a quick search online can often provide solutions or point you in the right direction. Don't hesitate to check out tech forums and communities for additional help. Congratulations, you've made it! You've successfully transformed your trusty mobile companion into a lean, mean, hacking machine. With Kali Linux at your fingertips, you now have the power to explore the depths of cybersecurity, test your own networks, and impress your tech-savvy friends. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your newfound skills ethically and responsibly. Don't be that person who takes down the entire coffee shop's Wi-Fi just to prove a point. Instead, become a champion of cybersecurity, a protector of networks, a digital guardian. Go forth, intrepid hacker, and use your powers for good. Hold on a sec. Before you unleash your inner hacker, let's talk about the ground rules. Ethical hacking is all about responsible disclosure and respecting boundaries. Remember, hacking without permission is illegal, and we don't want you ending up on Santa's naughty list, or worse. First and foremost, never hack into systems or networks that you don't own or have explicit permission to test. That includes your neighbor's Wi-Fi, your school's network, or that random website you stumbled upon. Always obtain written consent before conducting any security assessments. It's not just about staying out of trouble. It's about building trust and ensuring everyone's on board. And here's a golden rule. When you find a vulnerability, report it responsibly. Contact the website owner, developer, or company and provide them with detailed information about the issue so they can fix it. Remember, ethical hackers are the good guys. Let's keep it that way. So you've got your hacker phone up and running. But now what? Where do you go from here? It's time to dive into the vast ocean of cybersecurity knowledge. The journey ahead is both exciting and challenging. The good news is, there's a ton of resources out there to help you level up your skills. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hacker, there's something for everyone. First off, check out online platforms like Cybery, Hack the Box, and TryHackMe. These platforms are treasure troves of information and practical exercises. They offer hands-on labs, challenges, and courses to sharpen your hacking skills in a safe and legal environment. You can practice real-world scenarios without any risk. Want to dive deeper into Kali Linux? This powerful tool is essential for any hacker's toolkit. Offensive Security, the creators of Kali, offer comprehensive training and certifications. Their courses are highly respected in the industry. Earning a certification can boost your credibility and open doors to exciting career opportunities. It's a great way to validate your skills. Don't underestimate the power of books. They provide in-depth knowledge and insights that you won't find elsewhere. The Hacker Playbook by Peter Kim and Penetration Testing, a hands-on introduction to hacking by Georgia Weidman, are excellent resources for both beginners and experienced hackers. These books are must-reads. And hey, Don't be afraid to connect with other ethical hackers. Collaboration and networking are key. Join online forums, attend cybersecurity conferences, and engage with the community. Learn from the best in the business and stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. The world of cybersecurity is ever evolving, and continuous learning is essential. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of hacker phones and the power of Kali Linux. Remember, your phone is no longer just a device for scrolling through social media or ordering takeout. It's now a tool for learning, exploring, and making the digital world a safer place. As you delve deeper into the realm of ethical hacking, remember to use your powers responsibly. Stay curious, stay ethical, and most importantly, have fun. The future of cybersecurity is in your hands, or rather, in your pocket. Go forth and hack the planet.